my name is Hailey, and today's my birthday. So I'm going to be showing you how to make a unicorn cupcake. The ingredients, well, the stuff that I need is the fun fit. It's the recipe for this, and here is the sprinkles and frosting. This one is the unicorn cupcake decoration. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to be making the cupcake first. And right next to me, I have a little helper. Hazen, you want to say your name?
Hazen?
His name is Hazen. Okay, for the whole egg recipe, we're gonna need 1 cup of water, 1/2 cup oil, and 3 whole eggs. So first, we're going to be pouring this.
3 whole eggs.
Okay, guys, first I need to break the eggs. Let's see. Not that one. This is hard, Mommy. Okay, so it's time for the next egg.
Like that?
Yes. Okay, and then the next egg. Okay, guys, now I'm going to get this out. Whoa!
So amazing! It's like this.
Ready, guys?
Let's go!
Wow. There's so much sprinkles.
So
Okay, so we're going to put
the egg,
the egg and the oil and then the water.
I'll put the water because I am grown up.
Now I'm going to be putting the oil.
I'll put the water.
And then now my brother's going to be putting the water. Good job. Now it's time to mix them in. Guys, we're going to be using this mixer to mix all of this up. Now let's turn it to 2. Okay, now that we put this aside, I'm going to be opening the unicorn cupcake decoration kit. So here we have some baking cups. We have some cute unicorn ears. And we have the unicorn, like the horns, but they're candles. And inside here is the unicorn sprinkles.
I got some sprinkles.
Okay, now I'm going to be opening these up and then put them into the little cups. Okay, guys, now that we set all the cups in, we are going to put the cupcakes in here. Hazen, you want to go first?
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay. So now we filled up all of the cups with the cupcakes. Now it's time to heat it up in the oven. Don't do this by yourself. It is very dangerous. Ask an adult or a parent to help you. Hazen.
Okay.
Okay.
I want to put
Now
this
you
right
need
there.
to bake your cupcakes for 20 minutes. So we're going to be getting this frosting into this bottle. Let's do it.
Can I put the frost? Can I put that? Who wants bubbles? Who wants bubbles? Who wants bubbles? Who wants bubbles? Whoa, so much frosting.
Okay guys, now it's time to put the frosting in the decoration.
Spoon? Do I need any spoons?
Good job. Let's put the horn. And then the ears. Okay guys, here's our cupcake.
Did I do it wrong?
Yes, you did. That's the wrong side. It's supposed to be like this.
Oh.
Now it's time to try the cupcake with the tasting test. Let's take this out. Good. Okay, now we're going to finish the cupcake. Make sure to subscribe, comment down below, and ring the bell if you like it. Bye.
Bye.